The news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has said that when completed, the multipurpose indoor stadium at Polo grounds will be the largest multipurpose indoor stadium in the entire northeastern region. Sangma, who inspected the ongoing upgradation, renovation and improvement of JN Sports Complex indoor stadium and first ground at Polo today, said the indoor stadium will have all the facilities to hold multiple games from basketball, squash, badminton to table tennis and volleyball. According to him, work is on in full speed. The foundation was laid recently and it will take a bit more time to complete, but I am happy with the progress of the work, Sangma said.
Indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here.
Senior BJP